we in the cinematic mode. There she goes. I would like to compare that one to the other one.
All right.
On why. Let's see.
All right, looks the same. It's a little bit longer.
That one, yeah.
See the corner?
Yeah, this one is just.
No, they're about the same.
About the same.
I hope this makes a difference.
Oh, there she goes.
I gotta see.
Oh shit! Shit from my eye.
This shit's gonna be hella fun. Hold up, just leave right there.
Yeah, I think it's gonna help. Let me know. I can hang on it.
Shit. Honestly, I don't even know if it's.
Cause I had a seat on there, so I was like, where are you going?
You ready?
Do the zip shit.
Are you going? Yeah. Almost there. Hey Val, come here.
What? What?
Alright, fuck. We're good.
You have to push it from. I think you have to.
You gotta push it from the outside, bro.
Yeah. Cause I'm holding the bottom.
She's just slipping back out. Ready? There, almost there. Come on. Get them out, get them out. Oh, there goes. Oh, thank God.
I'm not gonna say anything. I think I carried the team on this one.
What the fuck?
Kobe right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it.
Oh, you want to?
Watch that lift, right?
Yep.
I mean,
You have to take it off and do it from the LCA, not from the knuckle.
still lifts the same thing.
Does it not? Because that's how we did it last time.
I know, but right when you loosened it, it shot up. You remember?
Can we pull the shotgun?
No, I'm not breaking
Yeah, we
it.
can. You can pull the shotgun.
Oh, it's blown? Oh, the shock's blown.
Nice little workout.
Yeah. little arm workout, you know, some tries.
Buddy. All right, we got that new on there. New spring. Old one. Old one's doing really well.
Yeah, dude, you guys are ridiculous, bro. It comes with an extra battery and a little.
Those wheels bigger than me.
That's the most he's benched this year.
Yeah?
Yeah. I could bench 4 of those.
Hell yeah.
Not 4 plates, though.
Yeah, not 4 plates, just 4 plates.
Yeah, 4 of those.
Actually, I don't know. That might be heavier than damn near 4 plates, bro.
We're about to check to see what that shit looks like. Ooh, drop the bags. This size. It's higher.
Well, you gotta drive on it first.
Yeah.
Because it settles.
I'm hoping I'm hoping it stays up. It better.
Even for the backside.
Yeah, because last time was terrible. Oh, that looks so much
The
better.
fucking spring back in?
Fuck no.
Wait, how many times did you use it?
10 times. I had it for like 10. I had it for going on 2 years, and all of a sudden it just stopped. It says take the diller.
Oh, you didn't took that.
I have one. I'm on a street tune right now.
Oh, but then.
All right, so we are back at the Love Shop. We are
Not that kind of love shop. Nah, it's good.
we are replacing this shop.
It's not in. Yeah, I think I have done before. I'm trying to see where it routes, but I think I could just unplug it right here. That's crazy still. So it still leans.
Yeah, it does.
The
I
same?
think they're all right here, no?
Yeah, no, it's all, it wraps all the way. I'm just gonna run the same.
But yeah, it was still leaning. It went all the way back down. So I was like, it wasn't the spring at all. Is this is this damn shock? You see how it's just eating this damn shit away?
Oh, when you bottom out?
Yep.
Is it only when you hit like a solid bump, or is it just like in general?
It's a little bit of both. Like it's definitely. You guys are my thumbnail.
I mean, I could.
Oh, hell no. Let me get out of this.
What
It'd
happened?
be like Love Shop.
I just want to make sure it's the right one, too, you know?
Oh, she heard.
Sure. I'll send you the ones you ordered before you send me. I know you're happy with it.
I know. I just noticed that. Oh, damn, that thing's a hella big. That's like a 20. If you're wondering what we're doing, we're just pretty much taking this harness off for the bypass. And then just taking this bolt off.
Yep.
And then the sway bar bolts off.
Yep.
So it juice more. And then there's 2 bolts up here. And then the shock should come off.
Nice.
And then, yeah, just putting the new one in. And then this one will come with the top hat. So you just replace the top hat with the OEM one.
Oh, got you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
It's not too bad. That spring is loaded, and
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the only thing I'm like, God damn, that thing was hard to put in. So I'm just hoping like shit goes in kind of.
So once you plug that one in, that one's gonna go. The new one.
It's because it's electrical. I think it's electrical dampening. So
Right. So the new one will automatically just.
yeah, it should be programmed. It should be fine. Like once it.
I think KJ thought I was talking to him.
We got the new chisel. We got the old chisel.
places. Sounds like
You know?
All right. So how do we know that the other one was bad? We don't, huh? I was gonna
That's
know.
test pushing it, but it only. Yeah, it don't make no
But
sense.
it's like also the thing's not plugged in either.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I
Like,
guess I'll just.
Science.
I'm gonna sell that one.
For sale.
Let's return it.
Hey,
For sale.
Brand
Yeah.
new. Hold up. Brand new.
Brand new. Y'all better get at me. So I
Yeah.
paid 12 for this. I'll let that one go for 8.
That's jug, bro. Why are you jugging the?
Well,
why
I
are you
might have
jugging
to.
everybody?
I
yo?
might have to buy it and then buy a Durango.
Let me see it.
That thing's
so
jug.
cheap.
It's
800
jug.
bucks.
Y'all better get at me for real. It's plug.
Damn, why you jugging the fam like that?
You feel me? That's what we do. We hook them up. I don't know why people keep telling me to do that. No. You see
Why would
coilovers
you?
on a BMW or Mercedes or any fucking Civic, Honda, etc. But not on Durango. No. That shit, I don't think I could
I
do
put
that.
in the comments, what's better, coilovers or lowering springs?
Now, of course they're gonna say coilovers. You can adjust them.
But I seen like coilovers on the X5,
Yeah.
and they ride nice.
X5, like I said, BMWs.
I might have to go low, like drop this lower.
Oh, she's a little longer.
Yeah, because earlier,
That's
the
what she
shock,
said.
I had to push it all the way down. I pulled it down, and then I slid it in there.
Yeah, she said it was hella long.
Just,
That's average, bro. That's average.
It's mid.
Yeah, it's average, bro.
Can you slip it up there?
I'm gonna tell my wife you said that.
What?
I'm gonna tell my wife you said that.
What?
That is average.
Sorry. You want to twist it? It's in
You
there.
gotta turn it back the other way.
This way? Or
Yeah.
but
So
it's
I can
gonna
push
hit
it up. Oh, yeah, we gotta pull it. Yeah, pull it back out.
I had to push the shock all the way down. But I think we could just drop the jack a little bit.
Shut up the jack.
Well, I'm about to jack up your car. Jack
Jack.
up your car.
Do what you gotta do. She come quick though.
That's wild. I hope you want to see that shit. That's fucking low.
Hey, you for real jack that shit up. I'm not even playing. I thought
Yeah, that shit was hella
that
jacked
shit
up.
was hell up. What the?
How them brake pads looking old? Oh, they still got some life.
From one race.
I can't believe Will got gapped. Everyone's talking about it.
Man, and it came here.
Yeah.
Now we look funny.
You should load it more.
Somebody got gapped?
Yeah, that fucking.
The bottom. Make sure all the bolts are tight. Should be good.
Yeah, she's always tight.
Damn, fucking.
They connected.
Yeah, dude.
No? Yeah, I was surprised. I was like,
No, I thought I had one in my truck, but I didn't. I was looking for it when I got here.
This was
Fresh
that.
steady. Oh, she dusty.
Yeah.
Come on. It's still loose. I'll get the torque wrench. Hey, get the impact. We gotta torque this.
hey,
Dorky.
what torque spec you want, bro? I'm really like fluent in this.
Let's find it.
That was at least about 80 right there.
I was like 55 on a good day.
Oh, I don't know. I wasn't touching it.
Oh yeah, no, I felt
Bro,
it.
from the look of it.
No, from the.
But
Trust
the
me.
look of it is different.
Yeah, hey, you wanna pull this over? I'm gonna time it.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Oh, he's asking. He's trying.
I
Hey,
got
he's
you.
asked for a discount.
This
Yeah.
is not great customer service,
No,
bro.
it's
When
not-
the customer services is
It's
on
not
guard.
discount, bro. Look, he's like, oh, discount.
Yeah.
Gotta use this advantage, bro.
No, I don't believe in
I got
discounts.
KJ working.
I don't believe in discounts, bro. When people hit me up and they ask for discounts, I'll be like, okay, next.
No, they hit you with the, hey, can you sponsor
Hey.
my car?
I'm just
Yeah,
that boy.
bro.
Can you hook me up?
All the fucking time.
He wanted to be in the YouTube video.
That's crazy.
I was thirsty.
Oh,
Fucking suave.
Suave?
Suave.
Rico, suave.
I got it. Thank you.
All right, look, he took over. He ain't trying to give me that discount.
Yeah, no, I'm not, bro. I just wanted him to do the YouTube.
For the truth.
Yeah.
Oh, that bitch sitting right. Yep. Perfect. It was like here. Yeah. It was literally like fucking.
You better start doing some trimming. Hey, yo.
Getting it right. All right, so it looks like we got 3 over here. Just put the new one on. Let's see, did it still set?
Not that.
3 over here, she's still a little tight. But it's 3.